Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to either put on or take off the side brushes, which are here, on your EZVIZ RS2. I'm gonna flip it over, and now once it's flipped over, you can see these brushes here, and to take them out, just pull them. You need to use some force, but eventually it will come off. And to put it back on, you do basically the same. Just pop it right in. You can see there's a square, so it has to align. So just rotate it a bit until it aligns. And then pop it in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.